Hello, in this video I will show a short overview of the program that I developed in 2020. At that time I worked for a large company and one of the departments of this company was engaged in manufacturing machines for working with pipes. These machines deforms the ends of the pipes to improve the welding processes. The inner diameter of the pipes was measured by a specialized laser. The program that I developed was designed to work with such lasers. After the measurement, the laser outputs an array of coordinates. From this data, it is necessary to calculate many different parameters. Firstly, the data needs to be filtered, since there are always errors during signal transmission, glare, or other interferences. Next, it is necessary to calculate the pipe diameter. Here too it is not so simple. The pipe usually has defects that needs to be taken in account. Also, the accuracy of the laser installations plays an important role. Considering these features, the program has the possibility for precise adjustments of operation under different conditions and different lasers. For example, the program can configure the exposure time during measurement, the method of filtering the input data, and there is also an automatic calibration mode. The program also allows exporting and importing scan data. Also, there are some functions for data correction. In the program, there are several ways to present the calculations result. Here, the main information is displayed. We see angles, deviations, the minimum and maximum diameters, and other parameters. The displayed information, as well the displayed styles, are flexibly configurable. The program can also display the diameter measurement at specified location. Next, a report can be created from the calculation results. For this, the program has a powerful report editor. It allows you to create the required report template yourself, supports dynamic variables, allows inserting pictures, tables, lines, and much more. Then the necessary report can be exported to a PDF document. All communication during the development of this project was conducted exclusively in English, and I was fortunate to communicate directly with the clients. And the program produced better measurement calculations result than its analogs. In my opinion, it turned out to be a good collaboration. The program was written in C#. This is WPF, Windows Presentation Foundation project. Thanks for watching.